So we are live at this moment. I just want to, you know, I just want to come live now. Try to come now because I want to discuss few things before the program that we're gonna have. So we come back. We're gonna stream in our main platform later today. Okay, tonight, and that has to do with the government anyway. So just stay tuned. But before then, let me quickly share this live broadcast. I don't know. Let me see if I can share it first before another thing. Just a moment. Just a moment. Once you join in, please make sure you like the video. Okay, make sure you like the video. Very important. Very important.
Having the Nigerian military, the Air Force, the Army, and the Navy, even the police, Nigerian police, any Akorogada Arusioru, they give you gun to come and kill your brothers. You just rule now. This message is for you. Okay, like this now, someone can tell you. Someone if the Prime Minister of Biafra, don't you said today now your last warning. You don't come Biafra, they kill your own brother. Today now your last warning, then give you opportunity. You know what things are the call opportunity, then give you plenty of opportunity. Say today now is the last day. Quite surrender. Well I do. Because as it be like this, it will give you opportunity where we say you could be sap for Biafra Army. While that training where they give you for there, say oh, go kill your brother, you go change that, you go become Biafra Army, you go give you opportunity now. Well, like Maka tell you, this opportunity nobody they beg you. If you no one take a may you live and you go die. Because you know people come Biafra to kill my people, kill my brother, kill your own brother, don't bunker, where we say they not go kill you. Biafra Liberation Army, you don't prepare well. You don't anything where you get on two. Anything where you get on times two. Anything where you get, Biafra Liberation Army get on times two. Shina, I'm a tanker, I be what you want use squabby, one use fly jet, you want use aeroplane, you want use helicopter, what you want use come where they say, we go bring her down, my brother. No go de Zuzu. Last warning, Prime Minister, you go the last warning now say. As a Biafra serving in Nigerian Army, Nigerian Navy, Nigerian Air Force, Nigerian Police, all those they are JTF and all those they are Joint Task Force and SF, Ndara, they send you to come and kill your brother. Simon Ekpa, the Biafran Prime Minister is giving you last warning and an opportunity to come, leave them and join us. You understand? Because me, I tell you, nobody they beg you. If you say you want day where you day, no wahala, you go down. There is no two ways. You cannot
see you. Good evening to you.
The gods of our land, the gods of our land will kill you. There is no how you can come to your land to kill your own brother and succeed. I be the Zuzu. Me, I know para. I love this opportunity our Prime Minister give. As he don't give her like this, I get joy. All my brothers serving in the Nigerian Army, in the Navy, in the Air Force, Police, Road Safety, Oshikwe and Oshihiya, please come back, don't die. Because let me tell you, I'm not saying this because of us, because if you die in the hands of the Biafran Liberation Army, you died as our enemy. But for you now, I'm telling you, if you die fighting on the wrong side of the battle, you did not die a hero. Other fura they don't know that they've given you and it's making you think and act like
okay, welcome back. Please like this video. Once you join us, make sure you like the video, okay? So we're going to go straight to the issue that brought us here. I don't have much video to play for you. I just want to pour my mind out based on what happened today in Mazi Nnamdi's court case. Many of you have watched that, many of you followed that. Some were angry with me. Why are you streaming when Mazi is in the court? But you don't understand. Sometimes, I don't know how to say this to us, but we have to say it, you understand. You see, Mazi was kidnapped. People kidnapped him, they know what they want. Okay? and they have their own reason. They have their own template, what they want to achieve by doing so, which is to stop anything, anybody talking about freedom, to make sure they cut everything down. That was the intention. That was the reason why they choose to go after him. The same reason that made them to go after PM, which is to stop you talking about freedom. Okay? To make sure that everything is the way they want. Not the way you want. They don't care about you. Let me remove it. I have to put this background just because of happy birthday. That's just a fact. Okay, because I don't have anything. I just want to be real here. I don't want to have much graphic anything or going back and forward. Some of you that join me, you join because you know you love the program, because you love the truth, and that's why I have to appreciate you. All I want you to do, if you want to support, make sure you like the video. Clicking on the like button is what I expect you to do. That's the first thing. You cannot say me that, oh, we are here without you liking the video, please. It's very, very important. We are just only a few minutes in the program, and I want you to be part and parcel of it. So, reason why they kidnap Nnamudi Kanu is to stop the agitation, isn't it? They know what they're doing. That's why anytime he's going to court, I don't feel anything that will be changes. I don't see any changes. Somebody was, after the court case today, somebody was like, why are they keep on adjourning the case? Why? What is going on? Because they have actually moved it to, I think, April. Is it May or April? No, not April. It's May. It should be May. But the issue is that the court case has been adjourned. You see, I can't even remember the date because I don't pay attention. I know that he will not come out in this way. He will not come out in this way. And that is a very, very sad thing to accept. But that's all the truth. They already have plan and they know what they're going to achieve with it. It's not as if people who care or who have their brain working don't know this, they know. That was why I felt so bad with what JS was doing. Because PM had it in his hands. Nobody wanted, these people don't want to support him. In fact, they called for his head. Ohane is a youth, Ohane is a elder, all of them, they placed bounty on his PM. The same bounty they placed on Mazi before they kidnap him. But for the fact that PM is smarter and clever than them, he did not fall to their nets. They have to work hard and sweat to get him out of the way. I said something earlier in our program that nobody, none of us, nobody from eastern part of Nigeria or Igbo tribe, nobody will call for your head without your own brother being backing it up. They are the one you should be afraid of, not even Nigerian government. Mazi Kanu was kidnapped, powered by Ndibo. Okay, someone says it's April. Thank you for the correction. That's a miracle. So PM the same thing. Ndibo. Everybody, even in the so-called Nigerian political class, like those ones that these politicians, they are the only time they have muscle among themselves. Then you'll be asking, what is wrong with our people? Why must we go through this again and again and again? See, Mazi Kanu court case can never ever be achieved in Nigerian courts. It's not possible. It's not possible. And that's one of the most difficult things to accept, like I said. If you are actually believing that one day court will say free him, and even though they have said in the past, why are they still going to court? Court of appeal, court of this, why? They know they don't have anything. keep on adjourning, because they're the ones after these two things: eliminate him or keep him in perpetual prison. No going back, no going forward. Just let him be there to avoid him causing more problem to them. What is it that Master was doing that they perceive as a problem? To live and let live. They don't want them because they see us as slaves. So if you are talking about it, that's a problem to them. They want you to be a slave. They see you as a slave, and I will tell you why. It's only someone that sees you as a slave that will tell you that he don't like you, but he don't want you to go. Because they want to, there's something you are doing for them, they cannot let go. They will believe that you are the better person to do it. They believe that you have value, but they're not going to appreciate that you have value. And there's no reward to what you are offering to them. That's why they will tell you that Igbo people are the worst in this country. Igbos have destroyed this country. Okay, let them go. No. That is why you can only hear that when you have been conquered. What is it that needs to happen before Master will be freed, will be released? That thing is to make sure that you challenge, you face your fear. You know it. All of us know what must happen. Not about, no matter how many lawyers you hired, no matter how many things, nothing, no protest. From those people that you are expecting to hear the injustice going on a Mazi case, they have heard it, but one thing is holding them to react. Why? Until that thing that you're supposed to do, you have to do it. Somebody started it, and who are those that stopped it? Igbo people. And same people, they are the one waiting for court to release him. Only in Igbo land you see people who don't know anything want to lead. You don't know anything, you want to lead. To you, the best thing is to make sure that you have what it takes, people respect you, you want your name to be heard. Please, as you join me, put a comment. I would like to read comments. That is from the comment here. Chibike and Chibike Miracle have been the one putting comments, and Wankwo Chisom is here with us this hour. Your comment is the only way for me to know how many of us that made it in this live broadcast. Okay, and I would like to send my shout out to you. Make sure you like the video. Only 6 people have done that in our 13 minutes. We have almost 35 watching yet. 6 people managed to like the video. Please like the video so that others will get to watch it. And if you are new to the platform, this is our backup channel. And your presence here matters a lot because as Naya Debo, Okala for Ife, Oyo Fire, Jiso, or Makandi Bono. So please follow us here. It's not about another thing, but for us to have the 2 leg running. And with two leg, we will run faster. So back to the issue of Mazi court case. What is holding Mazi and why is it that people who claim they want him to be released are the one behind his detention? You don't need to put a call to ASROC to tell them, please hold him. No. Some of your activities actually hinder him from coming out. And that is a very sad thing to see. DOS was busy cajoking and castigating PM with that non-stop every now and then. And you know that is what will free him. You know. He was forcefully kidnapped and he's supposed to be forcefully pulled out. There's no two ways about it. The people that decided to kidnap him, they are not there. These are their own intelligence officers. They had their intel, they have examined everything, they predict what will happen, and they study the kind of people that Mazi come from. That's our people. They know, and they're using all this mechanism against us. Few individuals in our midst that don't understand this thing decide to do something about it. Then all the gullible and senseless people that don't have anything to offer decided to throw themselves in to be an obstacle. You may say they're doing it out of ignorance. Maybe, yes, but there are 2 ways to analyze this. They may be doing those things, or we may have those people doing what they're doing out of ignorance. But the problem is that in that their midst of ignorance, is there anything they want to benefit by what they're doing? The answer is yes. Saying, why are we talking about ignorance here? It's all about what they want to gain, what they want to achieve. For example, in this current situation of Biafran liberation, many of you know what is going on back and forward, how Mazi PM was being detained, who facilitated it, the names you are hearing. I have not seen Adamu. I did not hear Adebanjo. I did not see Femi. I did not hear that or Sase. All I'm hearing is Igbo, 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 Igbo. And this Igbo you are hearing, they are not alien. They are human beings. We know them by their face, that look. I'm not saying you should go after their life, but at least come out and question them with your own platform. No, nobody's talking about it. If you try to talk about it, they say you are calling for war. You should be talking about unity. How can you unite with somebody who have different objective? How? Our brother is here. That is Chihoke. Comedy TV. Please, this is your name. I know your picture on this your account. I mean, I have recognized your picture, your image, but that's your first name. Is what I would like to hear from you. I'm gonna put the phone number here, so maybe you want to call, you can call, and by that I may have a clear pronunciation of that your name. Okay. I would like to hear from you. And you said comedy TV. Okay, maybe I will visit your channel. Maybe you can make me laugh. Okay, it is good. If that's your talent, please hold it so dear, because anything you can use that to represent in your own way. So my people, everything that is going on now did not just start out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. My first name is Williams. Okay, Williams. That's okay. That's okay. But I prefer to call you that your Igbo name, or is because I believe this should be Igbo name. Chihoroke. Is it Chihoke? Chihoke. I think I'm getting it. So everything that's going on now is the way that some Igbo people, out of pretense, want it to be. Are you getting my point? That is how they want it to be. But the question is, see, after removing this your brother, why don't you carry on with that thing that you think that is better? Remember PM, they said, oh, he's one causing security. He's still get him out. And Anibo got them also. And is Anibo this is the annoying part. Once they got it wrong, they are not man enough to own it. Like, hey, hi guys, we made a mistake. This our brother who was protecting us. So look at pride will not let them to do that. And if PM resurface again today, they will see you see them again, as if things were so nice when he's not here. That is the problem I have with them. I'm not gonna lie. Now, Mazi Kanu court case they have turned it to political prisoner. Okay, you're from that. That's an Igbo now. If that, because I know Chihoke. It should be. So just pardon me about that, because even some of the names in the so-called 5 Eastern Igbo, which many of you, I'm not talking about you, see as the only Igbo. We still have some difficulties in some of the names, like because of the dialect, and I don't need, because this program I can talk anything, so really, I don't have any particular issue. But the issue here, one thing I want you to take home from Mazi Kanu's court case is that it will always be like that. Expect more adjournment, endless adjournment, until you guys begin to do what you're supposed to do, or miraculously something happens, which is very, very rare. If I'm to be Mazi Kanu, honestly, I don't give up. Even I can't even fight for Igbo people. No, like the Mazi Kanu, I can't. Why will I do that? I can't do that. I can't even encourage my friend to do what Mazi Kanu is doing now. Why? Some of us need to learn the hard way. You may disagree with me. Yes, this is personal opinion, okay? Some of us need to learn in a hard way. Look at what is going on in Delta. Like this, I said that in Delta State, in River State rather. Take a look at what's going on in River State for you to know the measure and hatred of this will have on our people. What I mean, and it's not beyond Igbo race. So if you, as long as you are part and parcel of that old Eastern region, whether you like it or not, you are Igbo, you are Yemere, and you are anything that has to do with Igbo, that's who you are. They don't buy Igbo and you expect them to hug you. It's not possible. In River State, I'm just saying this because, like I said, we're gonna touch many things here. So those who want to watch, or those who want to go, will go. I'm not here to start telling you, super stories so that you will start clapping. No. Raw truth. Some truth is very boring. That's just a fact. I know. Some truth is quite boring. Some is understandable because you will relate when it's happening to you. If I'm here to talk about that drama, then you may feel okay. That's what you want to watch. But now I'm talking about Matter Ghana. It's a boring story because it have gone beyond that. You understand? Now, in River State, they decided to, those who shout, no, we are not Igbo, we are not Igbo. Oh, immediately these current governors, said that he's Igbo. After the Ohanese election, Yorubas in the camp of Fonja, not all Yorubas, because I don't want to drag sensible, reasonable, intelligent Yorubas to this. They didn't sit down well with them. Wike, who is he don't have any identity. He don't even know where he come from because of politics. Decided to do the bidding for them. Then when they turn around, you see how they treated P2P during the election. The 10 River State. That will tell you all you need to know. I'm not saying this is that for revenge, but just for you to know that when it happened to one nose, the other nose will be crying as well. When one of the nose cry, the second nose will cry. When I cry, nose will be crying. When nose will get very hot, eyes will also drop water. We shed tears. This is how it is. The connection is there, natural. The hatred, you can't take it away. It doesn't matter if you are from Akwa Ibom. It doesn't matter if you are from Eket, whether you are from Urobo, whether you are from anywhere. As long as you keep on lying to yourself, you are just there, waiting for a take. They're going to take you one by one if you keep on deceiving yourself. And Chibike Miracle said, okay, before then, this our brother said, we are all Igbo. Exactly, of course we are. We are all Igbo. And Chibike said, Chai, state of emergency. State of emergency because he's an Igbo man. And they just gave the man 6 months. If there's any issue with the governor, why don't they allow the deputy? But probably the deputy refused to be the eyes of Wike against the guy, the current governor. They also include him in all their shenanigans. This is to tell you that a lot is going on. Now, so Mazi Kanu, just remove your case in his own case for now. All you can do is to pray that miracle will happen, or those good people in our midst will supersede the bad one. That's it. That's just the battle that you don't understand. A fight between light and darkness. Once the light begin to win, freedom will come. Success will follow. Okay? Without it, not this class that you are seeing today. And that's why when we expose the lies, some of you don't understand it. One actually said on my comments that that I'm one of the major problem of this that I am one of the major problem that he have in this Biafran movement. I all of a sudden I become one of the major problem. Martin Nebo is here. I see you. Please hit the like button. Only 7 people have done that. It's shocking to me. It's very, very shocking. Now, there's something I want to share with us. But before then, let me quickly put the phone number. Okay? While we are, because we are going to stream again on our main platform. there's a program that USB want to run at 9 different time. So that program, we're going to stream it. Hopefully, I will meet up on that. Just a moment. Let me get the number fixed here. For some of us that care to call, even my number now, I switch off the data. So in case you are calling and you're not gonna, after this I will on the data. So once your call come in, I will. For some of you, I don't think that anybody want to talk here because I don't have regular commentators here. I did not notify anybody I'm coming live. So which is somehow it may be somehow difficult for them to join. Okay, let me remove this so that the broadcast will flow. Just a moment. Okay, let's continue. So early this morning, I made a video where we talked about Kiu TV. We talked about Kiu TV. And in that video, I told us that he's clearing his way to fall back. I did not know that the guy also have a different agenda. That is not about falling back. He have taken he has taken the stupidity to the next level. Okay, I don't mean to insult him. Just pardon me on that. But I don't know a better word to use. I don't know another polite word to use that to call it what I feel that it deserves to be called. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, because in life it is true you have right to do what you want to do or say what you want to do, but say what you want to say rather. But sometimes you may be wrong and you think you are right. That's the place. Okay. This was the 20th of just a moment. Okay, these are what I said, because you are telling the truth. They will not like the truth and they will not like you. You should not mind them. Just keep on doing your good work. I really appreciate you, my brother. I really appreciate that. That's nice of you. You see, like I said, it is not about that. Sometimes you need to care about your reputation. You understand? Sometimes in life you care about how people, after this, how people see you. Everything is not about criminality. If you want to commit crime, one of the easiest things to commit is a crime. But to stand and defend it is another thing altogether. So, Nigeria. Anyway, let me not read nonsense that this guy put here. Kiu TV decided to say something. He has finally declared his own group. With that, among all of them, he did not hesitate. I give it to him. He tried, right? He tried. Kiu TV have decided to declare his own group. And we're going to go through that thing now. I don't need to waste much time on that. I don't need to waste much time on that because it is very, very funny. Very, 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 very funny. That all of a sudden, the guy choose to be something else. Honestly, he never, I didn't name Mama anyway. Just pay attention to this. Please, my people. This is Kiu TV. Oh, the camera is not my camera is somehow sleeping. Let me clean the lens. Just a moment. Let me clean the lens. I hope it will get a long way to beautify it and make it more clear. A moment. How is it now? Okay, let's see. It's quite bold. Okay, this is Kiu TV. The post he made, as you can see here, Before then, please, just a moment. Let me know what is going on. Just a moment. Just a moment. Let me see this. Okay, so welcome back. Welcome back. Sorry, I have to check something on my WhatsApp because I got a notification. Let me know the program that is. Anyway, let's continue. Then, this is Kiu TV, as you can see here. This is Kiu TV. The post that he made, as you can see here, 7 hours ago. Please like the video. Only 9 people have liked the video in 30 minutes of the program, which is unfair. Very, very unfair. Then you see here. Please, only for those who were born to liberate Biafra. New Biafran Liberate Forum activated. In-Exile. New Biafran Liberate Forum activated. If you are among them, let me know. Hey, but I told you guys that this thing had been, I can smell the author for a very long time. Even though I was not expecting him to be the one, but he have made a move. Now, from this forum, now you start hearing another group, typical Igbo man. The question is this: why is it that this guy, of all people, have decided to go to descend to so low? Ahmad Ichikoze is here with us. I was watching your last video, but don't know that you are live again, my brother. In Cambridge, you may know today is all about live program. To be honest with you, we are still coming back again at 9 p.m. in our main platform. Chief Big Miracle said he is guilty because he tried to drag some people with himself. It doesn't matter. Of course, he's gonna have a followers. That one is show banker. You understand? It is written. You no matter what. Also, the best is that no matter Kawaya Dena, no more gonna be a titi. Meaning that for some of us that are not understanding, if you are not Igbo speaking tribe, what I'm trying to say is that Osadebe in one of his songs said that no matter how a woman looks like, men will still go and toast the woman. Do you understand? You will see some men in the class of that woman going after the woman. No matter how ugly that woman appears to you, she's a babe with another man. So everything that anybody want to do, they will do it, but majority always carry the vote. He decided to create his own group named New Biafran Liberate Forum, activated according to him. If you among them, let me know. Now, this group, people have actually reacted on that. I don't know why he said whoa here. Then someone said this, chai, when did the Biafran agitation now become a joke? No wonder there was an intel that a third group is about to spring up. Biafran, Adadorama is the spearhead of this new group. Don't be surprised that they will start their own fundraising for men on ground. Now, you guys should stop confusing our people this time around, for God's sake. United States of Biafra is our nation, and anyone trying to work in the government should respect him or herself and keep quiet. Another person said, John, this person said, Biafran did I not previously warn you guys that this Kiu TV from DOS is not a mission, is on a mission? Okay, he now wants to create his group like Oginkere and co. I urge you all to remain vigilant in your belief in one government USB. As they usually come in with favor, and then after showing their true mission, then somebody said useless set of people. Useless set of people who don't know their rights in freedom fighting, want to create new group. The Biafran Declaration mandate, what happened to it? Gossipers, saboteur. Then I am interested. If you are bring something seriously, then I am seeing none. Very, very intelligent response. If you have a better thing to offer, why not? This person said, oh, also, new liberation kwa. Osu, okay, Osu, new liberation kwa. Nothing Musa no go see forget. Okay, you want to start raising funds. Okay, with a smile, you understand? Then this one with laugh and okay. Boy, you don't collect money. Boy, you don't collect money. Another person said, for your mind, you don't get followers. You don't know where are the one sharing, you don't know we are the one sharing your post because you were working for different government. But now watch everything go down to dust. Okay. This one said, which post you expected, you expected and you did not get it? Akpam. Which post you expected and you did not get it at BAM? I don't understand that this post, to be honest with you. So everything here is against the guy. Everything here is against him. And not only that is against him, he don't even shy away saying those things that he's saying. He understands that Biafrans are not interested in all those things. But he felt, okay, let us just, he started with his video. For the first time ever, he can dust his suit. Let me look for that his suit so you understand what I'm saying. Just a moment. Because I think I've deleted that video, that is video. But let's go to his own post, his own platform. Okay, that will help you to understand what I'm talking about. He started, cut and join, because he's also from cut and join. See him here. Let me look for that. Where will I get? I have played that his video here. If I'm not, I think in this our main platform we discussed to Kiu TV. Look at him here. This is another video. He keep on dishing out. Before now he was posting. Now he want to show his face. Why? Because a new group had been in his mind. In his mind. Every ewu want to lead. Hi. Okay, let us. I have not even seen this video. Let us hear what he want to say here. Just a moment.
He's my brother, he's my spiritual brother. Someone is my. He's my brother, he's my spiritual brother. Someone is my spiritual brother.
It's a lie. How can you say that someone is your senior brother? Are you saying that you are old? Someone is older than you? Oh no, no. That is a no for me. How can you say that? So immediately he made up his mind to start up a new group. He decided to appear with his face, everything. You understand? Please let me flip the camera because I don't want to jam the wall. Is against the platform, so let me just flip the camera. Wise, if I finally land the video for you to watch, I will flip the camera and share that with you. But everything this guy is doing now, today he made his intention publicly that he wants to new group activated. Hi, almost Igbo people. Look at him. He's not a baby. He's not acting out of maybe somebody who is not well informed or something like that. No. And one thing they have in common is that they're not ashamed of themselves. Never, ever, ever. They always summon courage to yak nonsense. Okay, he has a lot of his videos these days. A lot. Please, this person, Oh yeah, the point is someone by his senior brother. But now, how can you tell me? Are you between this guy and PM? Please, who do you think that is older? Is my eye penning me? Nah, nothing but self. Okay, this let me not bring it there anyway. Oh, there's one actress in Nigeria from me, Biafran descent, claiming that they born her in 1993. Ineneche na-ekwu na Ineneche the person self gị na amemewe. A lot of his videos, a lot of them. So, but I'm looking for the first video that he made. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. I want to get that video. The first one that he made, where he does his suit, and all of a sudden he went to talk. Now today he did not hesitate. The guy is quite he's running fast anyway, so he did not hesitate. Today he have made his intention known to you. If you are interested, contact him for new group that is activated. Now the matter. You can go on the buy, honestly. You can go. I'm just trying my best to. So this idea of analyzing Ogenkere and COS, their profile, what they've achieved, and all that. Today he did not wait to land. I think he's one of the people that don't read their comments. I don't think this guy read his comments. I doubt that he read his comment. This is the video I've been looking for. He made that video on March 13th. That was the day the whole thing started. Look at his first ever video. Younger brother of PM. Younger brother. Okay. This is him. Very, very funny people. My own, if I see you miss because I don't need to have to fuel something that will swallow me. Okay. Now, let us. This video is the first video that he made. This is the first video that he made that actually, called many people's attention. Brother, what is going on? And funny enough, it's not up to 2 weeks that USB recognized his platform. Recognize his platform. Nobody knows that. My heart of a man is always a mystery. Now let's hear him. Hear what he said here.
Hello, my fellow friends.
This is on 13th of this month. 13th of this month. Then from 13th he made it trying to show a sign of neutral. And from 13th to 21st, he have already declared his own group. Triple M, my brother, I see you. I called you in our first broadcast because I saw a missed call when I was talking. Then when I returned the call, you have gone. Hear this. Hear him.
Hello, my fellow friends. That is Kiu TV. The way things are doing right now is not joyful or it's not giving me any joy anymore. That is if you watch around right now, you will see how things are moving.
Excuse me, guys.
That have been following this struggle for a long time and know what it takes and will know what it's all about and what our PM stands for and what Biafra stands for. But when you see and watch what is going on right now, it's too irritating. It's all about fighting each other. Fighting. It's all about fight. And they have forgotten that the people that they have to fight.
So let's start from the beginning. I'll be right back.
Hello, my fellow friends. That is Kiu TV. The way things are moving right now is not giving me any joy anymore. That is if you watch around right now, you will see how things are moving, which is not the way it used to be. We that have been following this struggle for a long time and know what it takes and we know what it's all about and what our PM stands for and what Biafra stands for. But when you see and watch what is going on right now, it's too irritating. It's all about fighting each other, fighting everything. It's all about fight. And they have forgotten that the people that they have to fight is Nigeria, not Biafrans. And it's giving me a very big concern to see things happening this way and that it's time we start talking. Because if you don't talk, and that is why I choose right now, it's time for me to start talking. Because things will not continue to be moving that way, and people like us, vibrant men like us, we come and sit down and be watching all this trash flying all over social media. No, it doesn't work that way. No, I said no to that. The most important thing, to all we Biafrans is our liberation army. It's the most important thing for now, whether you like it or don't like it. Because we that follow the people foolishly, ignorantly, thinking that they are doing that, they have that they are planning good for we Biafrans. But it all comes out that they are all fighting for their own personal interests and personal wishes. And people like us, like me, no, I cannot sit down and be watching this trash flying. No, enough is enough. Our liberation army is the most important thing in this liberation. If there is no army, there is no government. And our army is the proud of every Biafran. It's our proud and it's our pride. And anybody is trying to tarnish the image of our army, is also trying to tarnish the image of we Biafrans. Let us know this and know peace. Only problem from left and right. I'm not here to gossip or to fight anybody. We are only.
Honestly, I believe what you just said, Amade Chigozie. What you just said, this have been my thoughts. To once any of them have access to full number of men on ground, first thing is how to run with his own group. Then you ask them, why don't you some people, why don't you start from scratch, like build your own, as you claim that you can do it? They always want to perch on people's back, and after perching on people's back, the next thing is to create another problem. Let's see how the whole thing will go. So he said that everything that according to him, people that are in charge now are not getting it right. They're this, they're that, blah blah blah. Fine. Then what is the option? What do you think should be the option? Is it going back to your vomit, or is it by creating another group? If you create another group, what assurance do you have that thing that many other people not getting it right, that you are going to get it right? It's not about creating. If you want to solve the problem, identify it. I'm not saying that CS is sent or angel. I'm not saying they're not going to make mistake or they're not making mistake. What I'm saying is that always check the option that you have, which of them do you think is better? In the space of few days, you will decide, all of a sudden you notice that everything is not the way you want. You started complaining for the first time, 13th of March this year. Today's date is 21st. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 8 days, you declared your own group and start calling people to join if they, you understand? And to have contact of men on ground, what does it take to have the contact? If you are not pure, I mean, what I mean by pure, pure in heart, you are not, because being genuine is not when you are not making money or like to do to make money. But if you have a kind of secret plan, if that spirit is in you, there is no way you will not fall to the issue of having contact or access with men on ground. As long as you are on social media like as I am, if you want to have contact with men on ground, one day somehow the opportunity may come. But will you accept it or will you dodge it? It may come like just normal talk, let us communicate from there. Okay, let me tell my brother, my sister, my colleague, them, you know, that before you keep on accumulating contacts. Then all of a sudden, and it's not as if internet will give it to you. Somebody may call on your program and say that, yeah, you know, let them send a message to you that he's so person, he's so, that kind of thing. Before you know it, you start communicating. Not even men on ground communicating with you, but somebody who knows somebody that knows men on ground, and they communicate with you. From there, you begin to think that you have arrived. Everything is me. I cannot control. Oh yeah, oh, no, because what makes this person special? Because you think he's talking to men on ground. He's not the same men on ground that I'm talking to. Who is you? Who are you? After all, the money you are spending is Biafran money. Is it your money? That's a typical Igbo man. That's the same brain they used when Master Kanu told them to contribute $1. They begin to calculate it. Now, where's my calculator? Now, how many people live in Texas? How many live in California? Imagine when we put, okay, let's assume that we have a 3 million. Now, this 3 million may not be, okay, let's say maybe 2.8, you know, finally pay money. You know, $1 times 2.8 million. Do you know how much this guy will make for $1? Some even donate more. And every month you make this money. This is their mindset. You don't care how much the whole thing that they're gonna do with that money will cost. All you care is a total amount. Sum it up and begin to run with it. Now he has finally created his own group. Some may say, okay, after that, okay, nobody's gonna join. Of course, somebody will join. For him to post it on social media, one or two is already there. And this group now will be, you will see people that have been telling you that okay, some of them after joining, because they keep on knocking at okay, door. After joining this group now, you don't be surprised they will come out again to analyze okay, and their group again. Because even okay, people, they are the one that made me to pay close attention to this guy. They keep on telling me on comments that Kiu TV, Pastor Rose, all of them have left you and Ngozi. I don't know. Did I tell you that I'm with anybody? But that's a story for another day. So, my people, I decided to share this with us because I know that people are worried about Masamune Kanu case, what is going on about it, why his case they keep on adjourning that. Expect it more because some of our brothers have decided to make sure that everybody missed the chance to release him. Sit at home was one of the steps, but not only sit at home with. That thing with is what some people have actually cut off and is affecting everything as we speak. The rumor that's going on now is that some people have paid for the arrest of DPM, and they want to get her away as well. This is how desperate they can be. So since Ogekere is the one getting it right, why are they not trying to get him away? I'm just asking. Because in the history of the movement, anybody that's getting it right is who they will call for their head, for his head. They abandon Chike, those them begin to look for head of PM to get him arrested, to put him down. You get why. Now some of you claim that Ogekere is acting prime minister. The prime minister that he's acting on his behalf is in detention, right? Why is it that they're not going for after that acting? The person that is acting on his behalf, they're not looking for the head of DPM. You get why. So all this is why how you can help your brain to function proper, because if you don't, you are going to be stranded, you are going to be left over. Okay, Kai, these people ignorance is thinking. Do you think that only men on ground can get the Biafra? Their eyes will clear very, very soon. That is another issue. It's even PM said that he's fighting with multiple dimensions. There's not one, it's not one way. The Sana well know that. Are there those of them telling you to fall back? No, okay, say me. Have you heard them talking about another thing apart from men on ground and handshake in the US? Anyway, let me not go there. But all this thing is something that when you begin to connect it, you will be like, what am I even talking about here? Because these people don't deserve, this sweat. They don't deserve it. Mazi and Nnamudi Kanu have done a lot. And like I said, if I'm in his position, I may not take him, I will not take all this nonsense going on now. Because our people are discouraging him, discouraging everybody by their actions and what they're doing. There's another post that I want to share with you before we end this broadcast. Okay? Because I'm going to end it very soon and prepare for the streaming coming up again at 9 p.m. Hopefully, we're going to, keep it on. Then, now, on 20th of this month, being, just yesterday, day before yesterday, rather. Okay, 20th, yeah, it should be yesterday, using Biafran time. Breaking. Let me, okay, let me remove the picture so that you'll be able to see what is going on here. You'll be able to see it. This is a post made by your acting Nnamdi. You have something to say. Okay, this is the post. Okay, he said this. Breaking, this from Ogekere. Breaking. Pictures of Igbo woman representing Igbo community in the Republic of Ireland on St. Patrick's Day, 17th of March, 2025. Note that they were not waving flags, and an average Igbo person is ashamed of Biafra, or is ashamed of Nigeria. Open wide. The Igbos feel that they are too advanced to be associated with anything Nigeria. The Igbos feel. So when you read this write-up now, does this write-up sound to you in favor of Ndibo or against Ndibo? And just please be honest. I'm gonna read it again. Then you tell me. I don't know what he have in his mind while writing this, but let us just go through it. Breaking, as you can see it here. Breaking. Pictures of Igbo women representing the Igbo community in the Republic of Ireland on St. Patrick's Day, 17th March 2025. Note that they were not waving Nigerian flags. They don't know waving Nigerian flag, An average Igbo person is ashamed of Nigeria. The Igbos feel that they are too advanced to be associated with anything Nigeria. So, not because that Igbos are going through marginalization, not because Igbos are not welcome in Nigeria, not because Igbos are being persecuted in Nigeria, not because Igbos are being manhandled and mistreated and being treated roughly, being treated rough and handled rough by the state, Nigeria itself, but because they feel that they are too advanced to be associated with anything in Nigeria. That's the reason that this guy is giving you that made Igbo people not to associate much, according to him, with Nigeria. And when you pay attention to this one here, he said, note that Igbos were not waving the Nigerian flag, meaning that that Igbos hated Nigeria, that Igbos are doing all those things because they feel that they are too special than other Nigerians. I don't know what you have in mind writing this, but the truth is that, to me, he did not put it well. Maybe he may have other thing in his mind while writing it, but the meaning of the text is giving me negative vibe. Although the post that he's talking about, the picture, is not about the Igbo people. It's about DOS. They hijacked this St. Patrick's parade. They secretly use that to do their, awareness of Biafra. Whereas the indigenous people are parading, doing their parade and everything the way they normally do it in the day of St. Patrick. These people sneak in and try to use that as if it is all about their effort to gather people out and protest for Biafra. You cannot achieve anything with this level of lies. The time to tell the truth and stand on the truth and show your capacity is now. If you know that you don't want, why are you hiding about it and trying to sneak in to achieve what I don't know what they want to achieve with it? So my people, I want to hear from you. Okay, I just want you to know that all this kind of thing going on, the write-up of Ogenkere, it to me is just very, very funny. Very, very, very funny indeed. So Ogenkere praising these US members. If we are to be, if this thing happens, we are to be serious now, they will tell you, they will start dishing out other pictures that US have been sharing, which I shared that on our program before, telling you they are just, parading themselves on this day as if we don't know what the day is for. It is day of St. Patrick. Initially, I was thinking that it is about protest, normal protest. Somebody called my attention and told me, no, that in Ireland they were busy. It is a day fixed for St. Patrick. I said, okay, no wonder why people are there a lot, because if it were to be for this Biafran or anything freedom like Biafran and all that, you hardly see people gather like that in the hands of Dieu. So Primitive, I see your comment, and Destiny Kai, these people are ignorant. Okay, I think I've gone through this message, and our brother Armstrong is here. Hello, Kai. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So, Destiny said, imagine DPM's US made this kind of post. They will start crying she is a Nigerianist. Are you getting the point? That's the difference between us. I don't want to make it a center of conversation, to be honest with you, to show them level. We are not stupid like them. You just can, if you want me to post, I'll post it. So I'm not encouraging you to go to the platform, because once you go there, people will have more traffic to brag. So I don't follow him, and I'm not encouraging anybody to follow him either. But the post that he made here is pure against Igbo. There's no way you can tell me it's in favor of Igbo. It's not. They have their mind, they have their intention, they know what they're doing. And that is very, very sad to see. Very, very sad to see. You cannot tell me that he is not aware of this post, that DOS are the one, doing that. And he's here praising that. Then his people will be busy on social media looking for who have been in DOS camp before or not. But their leader is posting and praising the activities of DOS. That alone is a story that they don't want to talk about it, but I'm helping them to talk about it. But if they keep on pushing this nonsense, we may have time to analyze even Okwara we put meaning to that. I'm saying. So my people, we have come to an end of this live broadcast. Okay, this is a just quick one. Remember that we are going to come back again at 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. we'll come back to stream again. Just be with us on that one, and please make sure you like the video before you go. God bless you, and see you again. Bye bye for now. God bless you all.